vomit,
vomit,
vomit.
vomit,
Situation,
situation,
situation.
situation,
Medicine,
medicine,
medicine.
medicine,
Examine,
examine,
examine.
examine,
Luckily,
luckily,
luckily.
luckily,
Sick room,
sick room,
sick room.
sick room,
Nurse,
nurse,
nurse.
nurse,
Terrible,
terrible,
terrible.
terrible,
Seafood,
seafood,
seafood.
seafood,
Bowl,
bowl,
bowl.
bowl,
Unfortunately,
unfortunately,
unfortunately.
unfortunately,
Stomach,
stomach,
stomach.
stomach,
Doctor,
doctor,
doctor.
doctor.
Something feels terrible because of the seafood.
Something feels terrible because of the seafood.
He vomits many times.
He vomits many times.
He wants to get rid of this situation. So he calls the nurses.
He wants to get rid of this situation, so he calls the nurses.
Unfortunately, no one replies to him.
Unfortunately, no one replies to him.
Sontin decides to walk out of the sick room and finds a doctor.
Something decides to walk out of the sick room and finds the doctor.
He makes his way to the on-call room, but there is no one there.
He makes his way to the on-call room, but there is no one there.
He goes back to his sick room.
He goes back to his sick room.
Luckily, he sees a girl with long black hair.
Luckily, he sees a girl with long black hair.
He looks at her and says, "Ah, nurse, nurse, help me."
He looks at her and says, "Ah, nurse, nurse, help me."
The nurse takes him into the room and examines.
The nurse takes him into the room and examines.
She says, "You can't eat seafood anymore."
She says, "You can't eat seafood anymore.
You have to eat white rice now."
You have to eat white rice now."
Sontin eats 10 bowls of rice and takes medicine.
Something eats 10 bowls of rice and takes medicine.
His stomach gets better.
His stomach gets better.
He sleeps and dreams about Mi Nuong.
He sleeps and dreams about Mi Nuong.